After going through a bad market, Blur has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Blur is likely to hit a high point of $2.84 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. This past week, Blur buyers got back more than 17.52% of what they put in because the stock has been going up. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days. Our Blur price forecast says that the price will go down by $0.0202 over the next 7 days and reach $0.727945 on February 27, 2024. How much will Blur cost? Set up an account. When you sign up for an account, you'll get access to a full set of technical trading tools that no one else has. These include advanced Blur buy-sell indicators, top-notch Blur price predictions, and much more. Blur's price is $0.748145 right now, and it's ranked number 72 among all cryptocurrencies. Blur has a total market value of $1,063,888,124, and there are $1,422,152,336 coins in circulation right now. Blur's price has gone down by 7.61% in the last 24 hours. Blur has grown steadily over the past week, rising 17.52%. Investors in Blur are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Blur has gone up by 19.37% in the last 30 days, adding $0.1214 to its previous value of $0.626744 and raising the market size to $1,063,888,124. Blur should not be bought right now. Instead, investors should wait for another bear market. Over the last 90 days, the price of Blur has gone up by 78.28%, from $0.419646 to $0.328499. How much will Blur cost? How to predict the Blur price? How much does Blur cost right now? The price of Blur is $0.748145 right now, and the market cap is $1,063,888,124. How much do you think Blur will cost in 2023? There is a chance that Blur will cost as much as $1.35 in 2023. Should you buy Blur now? We think that Blur might have a small correction over the next few days based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Blur until after the correction. Is Blur a good stock to buy? Based on the way Blur is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Should you put money into Blur? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Blur is a good buy right now. What's next for Blur? Blur has strong fundamentals, and a lot of people have invested in this coin. This means that we think the future looks bright for Blur. How high can Blur get? This year, Blur might cost more than $1.12 on average. The price of Blur will likely go above $5.09 in the next 5 years. In 2025,